Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello and welcome back to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. I am Sai Khandekar and along with some of India's most loved chefs, we are bringing you 200 tiffin recipes for 200 school days. It's the end of the week and we want to give the children something fun, something glamorous, yet something healthy and filling. I'm going to show you how to make BBQ Chicken Panini today. Come, let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. We're going to start the recipe by first making a marinade. I'm going to start with about 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, a few chili flakes. I'm going to use coriander stem, so about a teaspoon of that going in, a little bit of black pepper, some lemon juice, you could use vinegar, tiny bit of salt, remember soy sauce has salt in it, honey, just about a teaspoon, a good glug of Kissan Tomato Ketchup. And what the ketchup is going to do is it's really going to hold your marinade together and help it to stick to the chicken. I'm just giving it a very quick whisk and we'll keep this aside for now. The next step is to really beat up your chicken. So I'm using chicken breasts here that have been cut horizontally into halves, and I'm just going to use a rolling pin. If you have a hammer, you can use that. And now we'll just marinate the chicken in the lovely marinade we made earlier. Just be liberal with this. Spread it nicely and flip it over to marinate the other side. And while this sits for about 2 or 3 minutes, I'm going to put the gas on and get my pan nice and hot. My pan is nice and hot now. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, just a tiny bit, about half a teaspoon, and I'm going to place the chicken breast in the pan. After about 2 minutes on the first side, we're going to flip it and cook it on the other side. The second side of the chicken is done as well. I'm going to now remove it and put it in a plate, and we leave it to rest for about 2 or 3 minutes while we get the rest of the ingredients ready. It's now time to assemble the sandwich. So I've got 2 slices of focaccia on which I'm going to put some triangles of cheese. On this, I'm going to put some really nice and crisp iceberg lettuce. If you don't get this, you can as well just use cabbage. Very finely shredded green cabbage also tastes very nice. Or even purple cabbage. On this, I'm going to place our barbecued chicken and some thinly sliced tomato. Again, pan goes on. The pan is nice and hot. I'm now going to again put a small amount of olive oil in the pan just to help the bread toast up. And just check the underside. If you feel that there are enough marks, just flip it. And the other side of my panini is also done. I'm going to switch off the gas and I'm going to bring the sandwich on my chopping board. And we're just going to cut it into convenient sized pieces. And now it's time to pack your tiffin box. I'm going to pack 1 generous half in each box, and with that some fresh pineapple, and some khakra. I hope you liked the 5 recipes I showed you this week. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network and leave me a comment or 2. It's always nice to hear from you. I'm going to be back in a few more days to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered powered by Kissan.